Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your MOTOROLA Edge 30. So, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use just old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, firstly, block your device and take the cover off if you can. Then take the brush in your hand, insert the one part of the brush, only one part, into the connector, and gently try to pry the dirt out. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.